A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay.
Guys, welcome back to Being Mrs. Fraser, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, come along and join my YouTube family. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see, we have a little bit of cleaning to do. And I also want to make some muffins. I like to make muffins for my kiddos for their snacks for the week. They're just easy to travel with, so I thought I would share that recipe with you guys here today. First, I just need to clean up the area. So I found these Yellowstone dishes. You guys, these are going viral on TikTok. In fact, one of my own videos, literally, I have so many views. I can't even believe it. Yeah, so definitely go over to TikTok and check that out. I definitely just almost lost that box full of plates. I would have been devastated because these are sold out everywhere. They didn't even make it to my store. They're from Walmart. They're the Yellowstone dishes. I got the Rip collection. But I think they had John, Beth, and Casey, if I remember. They're all absolutely beautiful dishes. Y'all have to let me know down in the comments if you guys picked these up or not, or if you guys have even seen the viral TikToks. So anyway, I just want to get everything kind of cleaned up and put away so we can use these gorgeous new dishes. I also use them, if you haven't yet already seen my Halloween Decorate With Me. I did use them on my Halloween tablescape for this year, and I absolutely love them. They were perfect for my Halloween tablescape. So anyway, we're just gonna kind of clean up this area, and then we're gonna bake some goodies and then do some more cleaning. So like I said, I just like to bake some muffins for my kiddos to take to school as a snack. The hubs take some too. In fact, I have made a few different of these muffins with you guys. I have yet to make these pumpkin muffins. That's what these are, is pumpkin muffins. And I will tell you what, these are my kids and my hub's favorite muffins of all that I have made. And I'm, not to pat myself on the back or anything, but they are really good. I actually found the recipe for them off of Pinterest. If you guys are interested in that, I will leave it down in the comments, in a pinned comment for you guys if you would like the recipe. But it is so good, so simple. I will say on this day, I was so devastated because I ran out of brown sugar, and I swore that I had enough to do a double batch of these. I buy the cans of pumpkin from Sam's, and so they're huge cans, enough to make a double batch. So that's why I'm making a double batch of them. Not that I needed to, just that's what comes out of the can. So I was making a double batch. I ran out of brown sugar. I used all of the rest of the granulated sugar I had, but I had that that's farm equipment. I don't know. It's like brown sugar, but like raw brown sugar or something to that effect. I don't know. We had it on hand because my daughter's friend works at a local smoothie spot, and that is the type of sugar that they use in their smoothies. So we had it because we were making smoothies at home. Anyway, I was like freaking out. I'm like, oh no, I'm literally in the middle of this. And I didn't know what to do. So I literally got in my car to run over to BJ's real quick. and grabbed some more sugar, and I was like, oh yes, I have this sugar. Let me see, you know, pull up the old Google on the phone and see if I can use it as a substitute. It said I could, and you guys, they turned out still absolutely amazing. You would never know that I used a different sugar. So anyway, save the day. Thank you, Google. But I just wanted to get these mixed up and put together. Like I said, I like making them for snacks for my kiddos. In the long run, it is much cheaper to go this route than to buy like the package of those mini muffins from the store. You know what I'm talking about? The little party mix muffins or whatever they are. So yeah, so kiddos take a snack to school. That's what we're getting done today. It just makes it easier. Sometimes, you guys, let's keep it real though. Sometimes I don't get around to making the muffins and they either go without or they are taking like pretzels or a bag of chips. Sometimes they take an apple or a banana. You know, it's hit or miss around here. So yeah, but you know what's even more crazy? You know, you always see those videos that are like talking about how kids don't eat snacks during the summer, but yet they like go to school and they need a snack, and then they come home and they need a snack. It's so funny, you know, because I'm like, that is so true. But then if you think about it, I feel like my kids at least are much more active during the school year than they are during the summer, especially since we moved to Florida, because, you know, Florida is hot. So I don't know, you tell me, do your kids get snacks in during the school year and the summer, or during the school year and not the summer? Let me know down in the comments. But we're gonna go ahead, get these all mixed up, put in the cupcake liner, or in the cupcake tins. I don't use liners, we're cheap and fancy like that, you know. But we're gonna get these in the muffin tins in the oven, and then while they are baking, we're gonna do some more cleaning.
Party in the streets and the city's on fire.
So like I said, I'm gonna do some cleaning while the muffins are in the oven baking. They take about 20 minutes or so to bake. So I can get an awful lot done in 20 minutes. I don't know about y'all, but your girl has learned to go fast. You know, because there's always cleaning to be done, and if I don't move fast, then I won't get anything done. So we're just gonna focus on the dishes right now, get this dishwasher emptied so I can get my new plates in there, because yes, they are dishwasher and microwave safe. They made it through the dishwasher perfectly okay. I am starting to hear though that they're not making it like in the packaging. A lot of people are saying that theirs were delivered broken, and that devastates me for you guys. Because mine are, I absolutely love the dishes. They're absolutely beautiful, but I'm hoping that Walmart will make it right. I'm sure they will. The unfortunate part though is I know that a lot of them are sold out, so hopefully they can get them replaced. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get these dishes done. What does Tammy always say? Say it with me down in the comments if you know. 2 birds with 1 stone. We're gonna go ahead and work smarter, and just tackle 2 things at one time, just to get it all done. You know what I mean? Sometimes though, your girl doesn't. Let's keep it real. Yeah, sometimes I'm just like, okay, well, those are in the oven and I don't feel like doing anything else. So we're gonna pop a squat, search some TikTok, watch a YouTube video, you know, all the things. But anyway, guys, I wanted to ask you guys, are we excited for Christmas? Like, I know Halloween hasn't been here yet, but I keep seeing all these people posting Christmas stuff, and I am loving the fall and the Halloween content because I'm so here for it. I am so excited for all these holidays that are coming between October, November, December. You know, I'm so excited for all the holidays. And I am extremely excited for Christmas to come up. But you guys, like, I don't know. the stores are all posting, like, or setting up all their Christmas displays, and I'm so excited to see them, and I am going to share that content with you guys. We are headed to Kirkland's, and then I'm going to go out of town for you guys. So usually I share my local stores, local Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, and that with you guys, but I'm gonna go and see if I can find another store that actually has some good Christmas product because for whatever reason my local stores have not fully got Christmas out. And for those of you that are looking for Christmas content or Christmas items, I know there's items that go viral and then they disappear, or there's items, you know, sometimes you just have to, especially at like Home Goods, TJ Maxx and that, you just have to be on the ball with shopping there. So if I can show you guys something, maybe you guys will still be able to catch it, even though I know we're not fully in Christmas mode yet. We are still in Halloween fall vibes. I mean, even though it's not even really fallish here, it's getting there. But yeah, so I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. Are you guys excited for all the holidays coming up? Your girl is. Like I said, I'm enjoying all the content that I'm seeing on everybody's like Instagrams and stuff, and the reels and that of just all this fall and spooky fun content. I just love it. Just the warm, cozy vibes of all the oranges and the browns and the reds and the yellows and even adding in the black. And it's just, I just love it. I love this time of year. So anyway, I'm super excited to share all my content coming up for you guys. Like I said, we're going to be going shopping. We're going to be looking at Christmas decor, even though I know not all of us are ready for that yet, but it's coming. I also am excited to share some more cleaning content with you guys. I have a full-on house cleaning video coming up for you guys to give you some of that cleaning motivation to get your home ready for these upcoming holidays, because I know that Canada has Thanksgiving coming up this month. I know here in the US, our Thanksgiving isn't until the end of next month, but for my Canadian viewers and those of you that, you know, have other things coming up, I thought I would give you a whole house motivational video, so you guys can help, or so that I can help give you the motivation so you can tackle those homes, because I know that I can't be the only one whose home needs just a good, thorough, deep cleaning. I also have some decluttering videos coming, because yes, with Christmas coming, because it'll be here before you know it, I do need to go through a lot of my Christmas decor, my holiday decor, and just kind of go through everything, see what I have, so that way I know what to buy and what not to buy. And all of those things. So I'm super excited to share that with you guys this month. So I hope that you guys will subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you guys will come along with all this fun videos that I have planned. So anyway, we're just gonna go ahead, like I said, we're just gonna keep cleaning, tackling things while the muffins are baking. So the bigger muffins came out of the oven. They are all done now, and now the little mini ones are cooking. I really love the mini muffins. They are so fun and easy for my son to take. I don't know, I feel like they're just kind of cleaner too, you know, especially for like little kids. He's only 9, and sometimes they have a little tougher time being clean. You know what I mean? When you're eating. So the mini versions of things are just easier to like pop in your mouth and eat. So hopefully I'm helping the teacher out. But anyway, let's get back to some cleaning.
One day you listen so we can connect again. I'm feeling the purpose. I know we're not perfect, but my soul is reaching out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. You fade out,
So I figured I would also give you guys a little bit of a life update. I mean, it's not really like an update, but it's just like what's going on in my life right now, I guess. I don't know. I just enjoy chatting with you guys. I hope that's okay. I hope you guys enjoy chatty videos. I know sometimes I'm a little more chatty than others, I guess. But anyway, I am super excited. After almost 3 whole months, I have finally seen my dad is back in Florida. You guys have no idea. I'm an only child for him, and so it just makes my heart so happy to know that he is back down here and he is not, 1,500, 1,400 miles away anymore. So it's just for a little bit. He doesn't permanently live here or anything like that, but someday he will, and I cannot wait for that day because I love him so much. But yes, so he is back. He got back just in time for my older two to have their homecoming dance. They were begging Grandpa to come down and get, so that way they can take pictures with their dresses on with him. And we got tattoos. Fred and I got tattoos. It's been so long. You guys obviously know that I like tattoos. I have tattoos on my arms. And our local shop is doing like a fun little sale because in the month of October this year, there is a Friday the 13th. So they're doing like Friday the 13th sales. And yeah, so Fred and I both got tattoos. Fred got a little Herbie Husker on his arm. It is so cute. And honestly, I'm debating on getting it. I haven't decided yet because, it's not really my tattoo vibe, but we'll see. I just got like a little flower on my wrist. If you want, definitely go over to Instagram. I share things like that, like our daily lives type content, plus homemaking and decor content over on Instagram. It's at being Mrs. or at underscore being Mrs. Fraser. So anyway, or being underscore Mrs. Fraser. I don't know. I have it linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are ever interested in checking that out over there. But anyway, you guys, we have come to the end of this video. Where did the time go? I don't know, but I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. So I hope you all stay happy, healthy, and safe. Until next time. Bye, guys.